It's entitled, it doesn't have a title. Here we go. We have this brand new flavor that sticks to your head like glue with every sample. The sound, so real, so real. Here comes another sequel. Neo-millennial danger in this tropical stone cold. The band is wailed, my people's in chokehold. For money unlike soul, unbearable truth in the present, the past unfolds. Pinoys in hustle mode. In search of wealth, power, better life. Sticks to your head like glue with every sample.